Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off notifications on the Toy Blast game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Toy Blast game on your device. And once you open it up, you will be taken through the basic tutorial levels if you're playing for the first time. Once you complete these levels, you will be taken into the homepage where you will be able to choose the various different levels. Now, if you wish to turn off notifications for the game, just tap on the gear icon at the top right corner, which will open up the settings menu. Now, from this page, at the very bottom, you will see the Enable Notifications checkbox. If this is checked, then the game will send various notifications on your device. So make sure to tap on this box to remove the check mark. And now you can close the settings menu, and this will disable all notifications from the game on your device. You can turn this setting back on at any time by repeating the same process. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to turn off notifications on the Toy Blast game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.